Are you in need of a professional and experienced content creator, graphic designer, and video editor? Look no further. My name is Patrick and I am a graphic designer with a wealth of experience in the field. I have decided to branch out and start freelancing, providing my services to those who need them. Whether you're a small business owner looking to boost your online presence, or an individual in need of a creative and engaging video, I've got you covered. With my skills in graphic design, video editing, and SEO, I can help you create content that will stand out and capture the attention of your target audience. I have a keen eye for detail and a passion for creating visually stunning designs that will help you achieve your goals. You can find me on Fiverr and Upwork, and you can also reach me through the email address, all are in the description of this video. Don't let the struggles of creating content hold you back any longer. Let me help you take your online presence to the next level. If you're interested in working with me, please don't hesitate to contact me and I'll be more than happy to discuss your project with you. Don't wait, contact me today and let's bring your content to the next level. Thank you.